Hello. So over here we'll be looking at the global trends in using renewable source of energy in 2015. The source is RAN 21 Global Status Report that's done this year. So still the majority of the world's energy come from fossil fuels. 78.4%, still very high because not all the countries have the technology to apply renewable resources to give off the energy. At the highest, after the non-renewable source of energy, will be nuclear energy. Take note, as we mentioned before, nuclear energy is not a kind of renewable source of energy because we need to have enrichment, in particular using uranium, and these are minerals that are mined from the earth that will run out one day. Among these renewable source of energy, let's do a breakdown. At 19.3% of the world's consumption in energy, still the majority came from the traditional kind of biomasses, feces, food waste, etc. 9.1%. And at the other end of the spectrum, we have 0.8% biofuels. So this could come from corn, growing of crops to use as sugar. We harvest them, convert to ethanol in the fermentation process by the yeast. Next, we have the wind energy and the solar energy at 3.6%. And in fact here, countries such as Denmark, they were able to power the whole day's consumption merely by wind and solar energy. This is only good for countries with a low population. If you talk about industrial countries that have a huge population, especially in Asia, I don't think we can get there soon. Next up, we have the hydro energy, and we also have the geothermal energy at 4.2%. So what's the percentage of hydro energy that the world consumes? You can find out by subtraction. Now scientists and economists have been debating that is it really true that renewable source of energy will be cost effective in the long run? Yes, we know that the initial investment is large, it's very high. But the thing is, once you spend the amount of money to build the solar panels, to build the wind blade, okay, then the energy can be generated for many years to come. Of course, you have to add the maintenance cost. However, economists find that because the cost goes down and the energy produced maintained, that's why the energy return on investment, EROI, is increasing, which provides a kind of a blurry kind of image, because they mentioned that it is not because we are increasing the efficiency of harvesting from the renewable sources. It's just because the cost is going down. So what's the point of view? Do some research and let's have a debate.